Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Eyeshadow Blessing, and if that's your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below. And if you are returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video.
So guys, in this video we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial for beginners. So guys, the first thing I went ahead to do was to clean up my face with a wiper, and the next thing I went ahead to do was to apply olive gel as my primer. You can actually use any primer of your choice. So I'm going ahead to apply foundation, and what you want to do is to either blend with a brush or a damp beauty sponge. So guys, the next thing I want to do after applying foundation is the concealer. So I went in with a lighter shade of concealer before going in with like a tone shade darker than the first shade of concealer I used. So, and I'm going ahead to use a small brush to blend it out before going in with a damp beauty sponge. But you can actually just go in directly with a damp beauty sponge, but I needed to definitely like spread it all out easily with the small brush before going in with a damp beauty sponge.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd know.
So guys, I'm done blending with the small brush, and I'm going ahead to further blend the concealer with a damp beauty sponge. You want to make sure your sponge is damp, not wet, not dry, but damp.
To my place, I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So guys, the next thing I want to do is to contour, and I'm using a darker shade of foundation to contour. So guys, I'm going ahead to apply blush, because you guys know I love applying my contour and blush together and then blend it all together, because it always gives a flawless finish. It is not compulsory you do this, but this is what works for me. You can either apply your contour first and then blend it out, and then go ahead to apply your blush, but I prefer to apply the contour and blush together and then blend, because it gives this beautiful flawless look. So I'm going ahead to blend it out with a beauty sponge after blending the contour with a brush. So this is what I'm literally doing, blending it with a beauty sponge. So guys, the next thing I want to do is to set the areas I highlighted with a setting powder. Okay, this is kind of tricky, because right now I'm actually using like a shade of setting powder that is so cool, not too light but like my skin too. So I don't want I don't want to use like a yellow tone setting powder, so I'm going in with my skin tone shade of setting powder. This is optional, you can go for a yellow tone setting powder. And the next thing I'm going ahead to do is to blend my entire face with a face powder, so you can actually have like a flawless finish.
So guys, the next thing I want to do is to apply eyeshadow after drawing my brows. If you guys know me closely, that I don't do eyeshadows. I'm not like a big fan of eyeshadows, so I decided to try out something different in this video. So I was actually going for a pink look, a pink eyeshadow, and I just used a pink shade, and that is literally all I did. No, is that all I did? Yeah, this is actually the base, and I just kept on applying the pink shade, the pink eyeshadow, and then I went in with a brown shade to blend it all out.
My place, I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So guys, the next thing I want to do is to line my eyes, and this is beginner friendly. I went ahead to use a black pencil, a quick one. If you are a beginner, please do not use an eyeliner for a start. So I don't know what the drama I did here, but I really loved the outcome. I just wanted to try out something new, and I'm using a black pencil to try this out just in case it doesn't work out or it doesn't come out fine, but it did later come out fine. And then I went ahead to use like a purple shade to make the lines I made with the black pencil bold. So I'm going ahead to blend my entire face again, and also added like a shimmer to my eyes. And the next thing I want to do is to line my lips. That's my lipstick, and I'm using the branded pencil to line my lips before going in with a nude lipstick. Like I earlier said, I went ahead to apply a nude lipstick because I didn't want plenty drama, or I didn't want to do multiple colors, and I just went for something simple. And afterwards I went ahead to line my lips with a brown pencil, and then we are good to go. And also I also applied a clear lip gloss. This is literally optional. That's if you are not a fan of lip gloss, but I cannot do my lipstick without lip gloss. So this is what it's looking like with these. So the next thing I want to do is to apply blush again. This is one of my favorite parts in makeup. So guys, this is what we are looking like. This is what we just created. This flawless look, it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all for now. I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed, bye.
Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.